What's going on, everyone? It's that Tommy here. It's been a while since I've done a cooking video, but ever since I saw Fami in Seattle try this, I wanted to do it. I have a cheeseburger and a Whopper from Burger King that I'm going to heat up in my waffle maker. That's a Pokeball, of course. I'm really excited. I hope this works. I'm starving. First, I'm going to try it with the cheeseburger. He did this with the Dick's Drive-In Burger, but we're doing it with Burger King. When I saw this, I was like, wow, that's a really good idea for leftover burgers. Heat them up in a waffle maker instead of microwaving them. I can't necessarily press like all the way down with mine. Oh wait, yeah I can. Trying to get the shape of a waffle. Alright, let's see how that looks. Doesn't look half bad, actually. Take a look. A nice Pokeball Burger King burger. Like I said, I am hungry. So let's do a taste test here. Let me zoom out of my camera. Bon appetit. This is really good. Thank you, Fami in Seattle, for this idea. This is a really great idea. If you guys have leftover food, burgers specifically. Now that I did it with the cheeseburger, let's try a Whopper. That was just too good. One Whopper waffle coming right up. Look at how big that thing is in my waffle maker. Womp womp womp. Alright, I've had it on the waffle maker for quite a while. Look at that sizzling goodness. It's hard to get a Pokeball shape out of this Whopper, man. Look at that. Delicious. I gotta unplug my waffle maker here. Left it on a little too long, but that's okay. Still gonna enjoy it anyways, huh? You can see the smoke coming off of this. Flame grilled to perfection. Pokemon style. So like I said earlier, if you got any leftover burgers, put them on your waffle maker if you got one. Thank you again, Fami in Seattle, and thank you for watching this video. Go get yourself some burgers and put it on your waffle maker. What are you waiting for?